China Railway Construction Corporation Limited, which grew out of the railway core. Over the past 70 years, CRCC has inherited the fine traditions and work style from the railway core. As one of the largest and most powerful integrated construction groups in both China and the world, CRCC was ranked 79th among Fortune Global 500 and 3rd among top 250 global contractors. The company's business covers engineering, contracting, survey and design consultancy, real estate development, industrial manufacturing, material trading and logistics, concession operations, financing and insurance. CRCC is the largest engineering contractor in China and a pacesetter in surveying and designing. As a pioneer and leader in China's railway construction, CRCC has designed and built China's most complicated mountain railways, desert railways, heavy haul railways, and plateau and alpine railways. CRCC has independently designed and constructed for more than 70,000 kilometers of the railway across China. CRCC independently surveyed and designed the world's highest plateau railway, the Qinghai-Tibet Railway, and constructed 70% of this railway, which includes all sections over 4,900 meters above sea level, and successfully resolved 3 global railway problems: perennial frozen soil, high cold and low oxygen, and ecological vulnerability. This project has set up a model of environmental protection of large-scale projects construction in China. CRCC has fully mastered the integrated design and construction technologies of 350 km/h high-speed railways with its electric facilities and has set up 50% of China's high-speed railway construction standards. CRCC has designed and constructed many outstanding projects, such as the Beijing-Tianjin Intercity Passenger Dedicated Line, the first 350 km/h high-speed railway in China, and the Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway established the world's highest running speed. China has entered the era of high-speed railways. CRCC's leading position in this field is becoming more and more prominent. As a main force in expressway construction, CRCC has so far completed the construction of over 40,000 kilometers of high-grade expressways. From the first expressway in China, the Shenyang-Dalian Expressway, to the expressway linking Asian countries and European countries, the Lianyungang-Horgos Highway under the Silk Road Economic Belt, and the 21st Century Maritime Silk Road Initiative. As a pioneer and leader in China's urban rail transit construction, CRCC has been engaged in the construction of the urban rail transit in all the cities for more than 15,000 kilometers across China. CRCC has constructed the first metro line in China, Beijing Metro Line No. 1, the first straddle-type rail transit line in China, Chongqing Light Rail, the first monorail tramcar experimental project in China, the Tianjin Monorail Tramcar Transit Line, the first commercially operating magnetic levitation line in the world, the Shanghai Maglev Train, as well as the first magnetic line with independent intellectual property rights, the Changsha Low-Speed Maglev Train. CRCC completes 120 million square meters of building construction per year, with rich experience of high-rise building construction technologies, and became the pacesetter in designing and constructing mega railway junctions and large modernized stations. CRCC has constructed nearly 1,000 domestic and foreign housing construction projects, such as the 318-meter-high Zhuzhou International Building in Nanning, the 343-meter-high Malaysia Four Seasons Hotel, CRCC holds the world-leading role in design and construction technologies in such fields as special bridges, large and wide tunnels, and underwater tunnels. CRCC designed and constructed the first highway and railway bridge in China, the Fuzhou-Pingtian Railway Bridge, the world's first bridge constructed with full use of steel fiber reinforced concrete, Ganhanzi Grand Bridge, the first submarine tunnel in China, Xiamen-Xiang'an Subsea Tunnel, the tunnel crossing the Changjiang River, Nanjing-Changjiang Highway Tunnel, the double-layer highway tunnel with the largest diameter single hole, Shouxihu Tunnel, the world's largest and deepest hydraulic tunnel group project, the Jinping 2 Hydropower Station project, and the first use of pipeline sinking project, the Haihe Tunnel. The total length of all bridges built by CRCC is 16,000 kilometers, equivalent to the south to north bridges across the Pacific Ocean. The total length of all tunnels built by CRCC, including 100 plus tunnels, each of at least 10 kilometers in length, is 14,000 kilometers, equivalent to the tunnel between the South Pole and the North Pole. CRCC's overseas business covers approximately 90 countries and regions around the world. It constructed the first overseas railway project, Tanzania-Zambia Railway, the 250-kilometer-an-hour Ankara-Istanbul high-speed railway in Turkey, the 360-kilometer-an-hour Mecca-Medina high-speed railway in Saudi Arabia. CRCC has been operating and managing the Makkah-Muqaddasah metro line in Saudi Arabia for 5 years and became the first Chinese contractor under the Go Global strategy and the pioneer of Chinese enterprises under the Belt and Road Initiative. CRCC takes the initiative with win-win cooperation concept, not only constructing excellent overseas projects, but also paying attention to cultivation of overseas technical talents, providing plenty job opportunities for social workers, and participating in the public services in the country of the project, earning widespread acclaim. From 2011 to 2014, new overseas contracts amounted to 357.2 billion RMB. It has repeatedly set the records for single bidding price of China's overseas projects. CRCC is the #1 manufacturer of large railway maintenance machinery in Asia, #2 in the world. Its products accounted for over 80% of the domestic market. CRCC has independently developed China's first large-diameter full-face hard rock tunnel boring machine. It is the only manufacturer of full-faced tunnel boring machines used for the inclined shaft engineering of coal mines. Nowadays, CRCC's manufacturing industry grows rapidly, and potentially as one of only 2 high-speed railway track systems product manufacturers in China. CRCC repeatedly has the highest rankings in the S&P International and has the increasing annual return by fully participating in several major businesses, including expressway construction, urban rail transit, railways, and industrial area development under such models as PPP, BOT, and equity investment. As one of 16 central enterprises majoring in real estate development, projects as China Railway Construction Corporation International City and Shanyu City have become well-known industry brands. CRCC is also the world's largest railway engineering, logistics, and material trade service providers and was ranked second among China's top 50 logistics enterprises in 2014. Its complete industrial chain, incorporating scientific research, planning, survey, design, construction, supervision, operations, maintenance, and investment and financing. The company possesses the capability to provide owners with one-stop integrated services. With rich technical resources and skilled sci-tech talents, CRCC always finds a way to solve the complex construction problems and conquers difficulties. CRCC creates great achievements with excellent management teams. The investment funding scientific research and product development reached 10.5 billion RMB in 2014. CRCC fulfills its great responsibilities to persist in green environmental construction, to develop new environmental protect construction system. It also takes an active part in emergency rescue, educational support, charity, and spreading the positive spirit. CRCC repaid society and shareholders with great achievement. Nowadays, CRCC has become the pioneer of Chinese enterprises under the Belt and Road Initiative and is marching toward the goal of becoming a global leading multinational construction group with high value creativity. CRCC, constructing today, leading tomorrow.